Hello friends, welcome back to our little garden. It's spring, it's such a beautiful weather and we are on weekend and so we are gardening. The first mission today is to clear the small things, pine trees, needles. So our garden is just under the pine tree, and it seems Amandine told me that these pine needles are not very good for the land because they're bringing acidity. So they make the land acid, and acid land doesn't produce a lot of stuff. So I'm trying to clear the land of these pine needles before we start gardening. And then after we will open the lands and then we will start planting. What do you think? All right, let's continue work. See you later. After cleaning the pine needles, it's time to fill our energy with lunch. We are having our first picnic in the garden this year, and we are sitting on our nice chairs that we bought last year, and we are having some delicious food in here. Um, right now we can even see how the sun is moving. So in one moment we were on the sun, now sun is behind the building, but that's still okay. We are enjoying very much. And I'm just talking to Amandine how if somebody asks me how do I feel from 1 to 10, I would say 10. I don't see the reason why I wouldn't say 10. It's great. Fresh air, greenery, life is good. My wife is pregnant. All is all is amazing. Let's eat. I'm hungry.
Bon appétit.
Merci. Awesome. And after delicious picnic, it's time to do some work. We will use our cool permaculture tool, which we will use for aerating the land without disturbing the biological life of the land. So we don't turn the ground on the upside down and then killing the creatures. We actually just click and open the land. We will start from here and I will go slowly towards the end of the garden. All right?
Yep. It's hard.
Yeah, it's hard. All right.
Because we have a very compact soil.
Okay. So you see, it entered, and now I don't have to do anything else except. You see? And voila. So we had a hard start at the beginning where the land was very compact, but now I made a first row already, and now I'm on the second, and it's a little easier. So as you can see, my base is constantly straight, I don't have any pains, and the land is getting aerated. You see? It's very nice. While I'm doing this, Amandine is also working something. She's working on strawberries. So we had strawberries last year, and we need to change the land of the strawberries a little to put new compost. The soil. So the strawberries can give us some nice fruits again this year. She already did these two. This is the third one, and then the fourth one is there waiting. So yeah, nice. We are doing nice work today.
Let's continue.
Let's continue. All right. The land is now aerated, and it was a slow, steady work of 1 or 2 hours. And that's the thing what I like about the gardening. Time disappears. You don't think about time. you just enjoy and you work. Now it's time to use this tool, and I will go from the top and all these big chunks of land smaller, so it will be good for the plants to grow easily and to make it more small and just better to grow. In the meantime, Amandine put back the strawberries. This is our new flower, which is called hortensia. We will probably put it in here somewhere, right?
Yep.
And I don't know what we put in the pots there, but something. So let's continue working. So you don't just think that it's me who is working in here. It's also my lovely wifey Amandine, who is now planting P1, and she's using Monty technique, that you put the red box in the ground, put the ground around it.
Look at the size of the root.
This root is huge. It looks like potato.
Yeah.
So you see, she first put the red box inside, put the ground around, so it's perfect hole, and then you just put the flower inside.
Well, it doesn't work here because it was too humid, so I need to make a hole. Okay. Oh, still deeper. Okay.
Ta-da!
Hop,
C'est prêt?
presque. Un petit peu plus. Et après,
A lot of
Mais-
water.
Là. Hop, et voilà.
Bravo! And here we are in the moment, my dear people, when we plant our favorite vegetable, salad. You remember the video from last year? Here we go again. We have the salad. We make the hole in the ground, not too deep, because as you can see, they're not very big. We put it and we cover with the ground. We use nice fresh compost. Voila. We make it straight so there is no hole, so when we water it will water nicely. And now we go again. We will do how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will do 6 in here, and then 2 we will put in one of the pots.
I don't know.
Or maybe not, we will see. And after we plant them, we need to water them. It's suggested to use the rain thing, because the salads like that they feel like it's raining. And this is the moment to plant something new. My friend Paul introduced me to celery that you can eat with guacamole. It's very tasty. So we saw it, so we decided to plant it. Here is the plant, and we make a hole. I put some compost down. I put it in the hole, and then we cover it with more compost. Ta-dam. It needs to be 30 centimeters from the plant, from the neighbor, and it likes the sun. If we understand correctly, it takes a long time to harvest the celery. Sometimes in end of summer, if I understand correctly,
Yeah, end of summer, beginning of autumn.
or autumn. So we will keep you posted about how is it going. Hopefully, it's going to be good. So Paul, I'm looking forward that you make me guacamole so we can eat it with it. All right? All right. Ta-da! Work is done for today. I think it looks beautiful. Thank you so much for your attention, and see you in the next episode of show Gardening with Braco. Ciao!